Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Howlogical, and in this video I am going to show you how to use the list feature into Google Keep. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to use your Google Keep list, you just simply have to open your Keep Notes application into your device. Then after that, you will get to see this check button at the bottom left corner. Just simply tap into that in order to use the Keep List feature. First of all, you will have to title your list into here. And after that, by tapping into this plus button which says list item, you can add slots into your list in order to add as many things as possible into the list that you are making. Now you can make the list from this section. This way you can easily add items into your list, and after going back it will automatically save your list into here. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another future update from the channel. Thank you for watching the video.